Hello folks, Samsung's new foldable phones introduced at Unpacked 2022 have broken pre-order records in South Korea. The Galaxy Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4 have outperformed the 2021 generation, and surprisingly enough, they've also reached higher daily average pre-order figures than the Galaxy S22 series. According to foreign reports citing Samsung Electronics, the Galaxy Flip 4 and Galaxy Fold 4 in South Korea recorded 970,000 pre-orders combined between August 16 to 22. Comparatively, the Galaxy Fold 3 and the Flip 3 topped 920,000 pre-orders in their first week on the market. Furthermore, while the Galaxy Flip 3 outsold the Galaxy Fold 3 7-3, pre-orders for the 2022 foldable phones in the first week of availability were slightly more balanced. 65% of pre-orders were covered by the Galaxy Flip 4, leaving 35% to the larger Galaxy Fold 4. On average, Samsung recorded 138,000 Galaxy Flip 4 and Galaxy Fold 4 pre-orders every day throughout the first week on the market in South Korea. Comparatively, the 2021 foldable phones reached an average of 131 daily pre-orders last year. More importantly, Samsung's new foldable phones have also outperformed the Galaxy S22 lineup in terms of daily pre-order numbers in South Korea. The Galaxy S22 series averaged 127,000 daily pre-orders over a period of 8 days from launch, falling short of the new Galaxy Fold 4 and Flip 4. Judging by these pre-order figures in the company's home market, the new generation of foldable phones is a complete success. However, only time will tell if Samsung will be able to keep the momentum going and break sales records after the pre-order period concludes. Back in June, reports said that Samsung was looking at selling 15 million 2022 foldable phones combined, which probably wouldn't be enough to dethrone the Galaxy S22 series long term. The Galaxy Fold 4 has a starting price of $1,800, while the Galaxy Flip 4 costs $1,000. Samsung hopes that more than 50% of Galaxy flagship phones sold in 2025 will be foldable devices. Samsung released their first One UI 5.0 beta update to the Galaxy S22 series 3 weeks ago. The update was released in Germany, South Korea, and the US. The second One UI 5.0 beta update was expected to be released this week, but now it is being reported by Ice Universe that Samsung has delayed the release to next week. This delay is reportedly due to a major bug in the system animation, and the company could release the update once that has been fixed. It was revealed that Samsung is working on refreshed app icons for its stock apps, which might be included in the second One UI 5.0 beta update for the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With upcoming versions of Android 13 based One UI 5.0 beta, Samsung could fix more bugs, improve the performance, and add a few more software features. The stable version of One UI 5.0 could be released to the Galaxy S22 series sometime in October 2022. Other high-end Galaxy devices could get the update in mid or late Q4 2022. That's it guys for today, thanks for watching, please share this video with your friends and see you in the next one.